Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Sarah Groves, and I am an inside sales rep for our Veeam Cloud Service Providers. And I wanted to share with you the way that you can partner with Veeam to deliver some Veeam-powered backup as a service and disaster recovery as a service solutions. We are being recorded. You're automatically muted on entry. If you have any questions, you can use the Q&A or chat functions, and we will post the recording and the presentations on the Veeam Pro Partner portal for you. The agenda for today is going to be a brief introduction to Veeam, the market opportunity that you would have with Veeam, how you can build some Veeam-powered services, new now and what's coming, partnering with Veeam and getting started, and also the next steps to be one of our Veeam Cloud Service Providers. It says right there in the big, bold green letters, your success is our business. You want a partner that has a clear mission of growing with you. Well, we want you to win. We're here for you to profit with our customizable channel programs. We protect with our 100% channel-centric business model. We want to really drive home that we support you, we don't compete with you. So our promise is to be the most trusted provider of backup solutions that deliver cloud data management. So Veeam in numbers. Founded in 2006 with our first product launch released in 2008. Veeam's origins were focused on virtual infrastructure backup. So with all the innovation as a key focus, Veeam's really moved to offering physical infrastructure solutions and backup of SaaS-based data, such as Office 365 and Salesforce. This means you can back up to, from, within cloud-based environments. You can offer disaster recovery orchestration, and so much more. So this really speaks to why Veeam quickly grew to become an industry leader in data center backup and recovery. So we truly value innovation. Having exceeded over $1 billion in annual bookings in Q2 of 2019, joining an elite group of software leaders, Veeam's annual recurring revenue increased 23% year over year in Q4 of 2019. Today, we have more than 375,000 customers worldwide and 66,000 channel partners that we continue to grow with. So I urge everyone to check out the About page on Veeam.com for more detailed timeline of where we started to where we are now, and it's an amazing timeline. So I think here we go. So here's a few highlights from Veeam's H1 growth by the numbers. 130,000 unique downloads for our Veeam backup and replication software. Office 365 is Veeam's fastest growing product with almost 160% growth year over year. Veeam's new feature enhancements lead to almost 250% growth year over year in large deal transactions, speak to the fact that we continue to drive business in the enterprise space. With the rollout of Veeam's universal license, which is also known as VOL or VUL, it's accounted for 88% growth year over year. Our simplicity, flexibility, reliability, it's all resulted in Veeam being the #1 choice for backup across all segments. But don't just take our word for it. Veeam continues to be a leader in the Gartner's Magic Quadrant year over year. Veeam receives one of the highest customer choice ratings in Gartner peer review and many others. I also want to highlight IDC named Veeam as the #1 in market share growth for data protection, beating all legacy solutions. So if you've been paying attention to the industry, you know that a lot of the legacy solutions out there are going through acquisitions, which can bring some uncertainty as to if these products will continue to meet the needs of their customers. Ovum selected Veeam as one of the clear leaders for data protection solutions. Forrester showcases Veeam as the leader in data resiliency solutions. Veeam is thrilled to announce that it has reached the status of being tied as #1 provider worldwide during 2H21 in IDC's data replication and protection market, while our worldwide year-over-year revenue growth was 11% above the market average. So just take a quick look at these numbers, showing how Veeam's year-over-year growth was more than double our nearest named top 5 competitors in the market. So that's pretty huge, because numbers don't lie. Veeam's focus is always and has always been on securing and protecting data across any cloud, virtual, physical, SaaS, and also Kubernetes. IDC's focus is all about ensuring data security, protection, and integrity. So according to IDC semi-annual software tracker, Veeam has the fastest revenue growth in worldwide data replication and protection market. So year over year, roughly 14.8% among the top 5 vendors, all other vendors combined, and overall market average. In fact, so the market opportunity. So let's dive a little bit deeper into why. So with workloads and data moving to the cloud and the general expansion of data, protecting it becomes even more complex and important for organizations. This is why our partner ecosystems becomes essential. So with Veeam, we have the APIs, we have the tools, emerging products, and the expertise to help you as a cloud service provider partner get up and running, build a reoccurring revenue business, and grow your portfolio of services and really add tremendous value of modern data protection for your customers. So designing for your business. We want you to know that IT administrators and business executives at service provider organizations have a clear mission. You want to solve pain points and help achieve desired outcomes for your customers. We understand that, and to fulfill that mission, you need a partner who delivers the capabilities, resources, and programs required to keep up with your demand. Routes to the market. So ideally, we want you to have a play for all 6 use cases, but we recognize not every company and not every case can or should be built by you. That's why we make it easy to partner with Veeam to find the best route to market for your business. So some of the options that partners take. Some partners operate on a referral model, which means you can take a one-time fee for referring a customer to a provider. This is a great option for those wanting to dip their toe, kind of into the water, disrupting their commission structures, the business revenue models. Other partners offer resell programs, reselling cloud services, which means you maintain the relationship with your customer, building reoccurring revenue along the way, without assuming any of the risk and support of delivering the services yourself. So for partners ready to deliver managed services, but not wanting to take on a huge step of building out their own cloud, branding a white label offering is a great way to fully control the customer relationship without the huge upfront expenditure it takes to stand up a cloud offering. However, if you're already a cloud provider, there's no better time to build out these services. So how Veeam helps? So Veeam helps your service provider business with setup. So we're going to build your confidence with our pro partner portal, to be exact. We give you technical enablement, sales enablement, marketing resources to get you established, partner success kits, free product trials like Cloud Connect, free tools designed for service providers, and your business model to easily manage your business, like the service provider console. Helping you to sell. So we have training and enablement through Veeam with product kits like the backup as a service and disaster recovery as a service. We offer free certifications for you and your team or anyone on your team to help understand the use cases for the different products. Sell scenario cards. Pay as you grow licensing model allows you to offer the best pricing to your customers and build out your own margins. Competitive intelligence. So you need to know what you're up against, and we have dedicated teams to better help you understand the competition. Scaling. To scale is huge. We have designed and created marketing resources like the Marketing Center to help you with generating these leads and helping with generating revenue. Competency program, customer accessible partner directory. and partner directory reseller-ready APIs. Support partner briefings and communications on the latest. Veeam forums, and that's moderated by our top R&D professionals. We want feedback. I keep touching on innovation, and a large part of that is listening to the needs of our partners and customers. 24/7 technical support and a dedicated sales team, and best of all, no competition from Veeam. So let's shift the use cases for our partners who build or buy solutions powered by the Veeam platform. One of our major initiatives is to accelerate cloud-specific use cases and routes to market. And Veeam has three major categories of cloud-powered data protection. One is native backup and recovery for AWS, Azure, Google, and Microsoft 365. Extension of on-premises data centers to the cloud or object storage for long-term retention, dev test immutability, and cost savings. But not all organizations are ready to go to the cloud on their own, and we understand that. We work with providers like you to deliver BaaS and DRaaS for data centers, remote endpoints, and cloud-based workloads, ensuring every organization is ready to recover data and close the availability gap. So let's talk about how you can build a Veeam-powered BaaS and DRaaS offering. Use cases for BaaS and DRaaS. So while you can ultimately deliver powered services however you'd like, package and price in whatever way is best for your business, Veeam recommends 6 use cases for BaaS and DRaaS. So let's take a look at production workloads residing in your customer's data center, robos, and endpoints. If you want to protect these workloads on premise at the customer site, we recommend our MSP backup use case, delivering reliable backup and recovery underpinned by remote monitoring and management capabilities. If you'd like to offer a cloud hosting target for backups, storing them for recovery and long-term retention, offsite backup unlocks multi-tenant or object storage-based options to capture demand for cloud storage. So to up-level your services, consider offering DRaaS with Veeam, especially if you currently use VMware Cloud VMware Cloud Director. This is a great add-on service. As production workloads increasingly move to infrastructure as a service and software as a service platforms, add-on backup as a service options would be great. It's a great growth opportunity to consider. So if you offer your own infrastructure as a services, Veeam offers critical backup and replication functions to improve your SLAs while exposing customer self-service access. Veeam also offers cloud native backup for recovery for Office 365, Azure, GCP, and AWS. Many customers don't even realize these vendors employ a shared responsibility model, replacing data management on their side of the equation. You can illuminate the need for backup of cloud apps and provide the cloud to cloud or cloud to customer site support to help them take back control. So the Veeam platform, for those interested in building and hosting their own services, the Veeam platform affords providers the backup and recovery functionality needed to protect a wide variety of environments, including the virtual, physical, and cloud-based workloads. Over all these years, Veeam has spent a lot of efforts in creating an intelligent cloud data management platform that's flexible and scalable for partners to build and expand your Veeam service offering. Plus, Veeam supports multi-tenancy, remote managed services, monitoring, and more capabilities to deliver Veeam-powered services. So regardless of what your route might be to market, Veeam offers the backup, recovery, and service administration capabilities to deliver the best experience to your customers. Finding a Veeam-powered service provider partner is seamless with the reseller-ready directory within our Pro Partner portal. So if you're interested in being a partner in the directory, that's a great conversation to bring up with your sales rep so they can walk you through what the requirements would be for you to meet to become one. For the data center, so let's break down some of the top capabilities in the backup and recovery. The core of Veeam's powered services is protecting production data residing in the data center. So with 90% of the organizations reporting an availability gap between how fast data is recovered and how fast they need it, Veeam powered fast backups, recovery that scales for big and small needs, and built-in replication ensure that customers are ready for disaster recovery. So whether you're offering an offsite target for backups and replicas, remote monitoring and management of the day-to-day, or even the hosted cloud to run their production workloads in a Veeam protected environment, Veeam has the core functionalities of backup and recovery covered for you. So a type of workload that often gets overlooked in data protection strategies are those residing in home offices and remote and branch offices. With acceleration of critical company data residing outside of the data center, service providers have a unique opportunity to reach these devices. In fact, 43% of organizations are currently protecting their endpoints with on-premise backup, but are interested in leveraging the backup as a service instead. So the Veeam agents for Windows, Linux, and Mac offer simplified wizard-driven workflows to set up backup policies, plus integrations with other Veeam solutions for RMM and cloud hosting means it's easy for you to remotely manage these devices and offer a cloud backup. It's a great value add-on. For SaaS workloads. So the fact that only 10% of organizations are backing up their SaaS workloads indicates many organizations don't fully understand what the shared responsibility model used by many SaaS vendors, including Microsoft 365. So this lends to a unique opportunity for you to not only expand your service offerings, but educate current and potential customers as well as secure vital data that may have otherwise been lost. For public clouds, with 52% of organizations surveyed planning on housing all of their workloads in the cloud by 2023, there's a significant opportunity to offer services protecting the business critical data. Operating backups and replicas and executing recoveries doesn't have to be so hard or complex. Veeam can help your service teams break free from legacy vendors that inhibit your ability to offer services at scale. Leverage powerful capabilities for remote managed services, multi-tenant VDR, to your cloud, monitoring, and more. So build around the 3 pillars: simplicity, reliability, and flexibility. Delivering backup as a service and disaster recovery as a service with Veeam can help you evolve the way your customer data is managed. So what exactly is Cloud Connect and how does it add value to an existing Veeam customer? So built into our VBR, Veeam Cloud Connect makes it easy to get your customers' backups and replicas off-site. Another great thing about Veeam Cloud Connect is integration with VMware Cloud Director, where we can allow our service providers to simplify the disaster recovery as a service process for the customer. There's also a self-service web portal where you, the partner, and end user can interact with one another. And by giving away the right permission, customers can even do a partial or full failover test for DR on their own if they need to. And rest easy knowing that your backup is encrypted at source, in flight, and at rest, so your customer's data is safe and confidential as it would be in their own data center. Simply put your customers' backups or replicas to the cloud with a few simple clicks. If you're a service provider managing Veeam backup for customer on-prem today, maybe start thinking about building a new revenue stream with Cloud Connect. Whether you have your own cloud repo sitting on-prem or in a data center, or offloading your Cloud Connect backup data to a tape or object storage for long-term retention, which gives you the opportunity to offer tape as a service or storage as a service. So leveraging remote monitoring using the Veeam Service Provider console. So be the hero to your customers that your customers need by delivering backup as a service, and disaster recovery as a service powered by Veeam Service Provider Console. So by leveraging the Veeam Cloud Gateways, this management console enables Veeam Cloud Service Provider partners like yourself to streamline the delivery of Veeam-powered services to customers of remote managed services and hosted services like cloud backup and disaster recovery as a service. The Veeam Service Provider Console, or the VCSP, can remotely manage and monitoring Veeam backup and replication, including cloud-native plugins for AWS, Azure, Veeam Agent for Microsoft, Linux, and Mac, and Veeam Cloud Connect. So support for licensing and usage reporting will be available for Veeam backup from Microsoft 365 starting V6. This free solution is purpose-built for service providers like yourself. It comes packaged with features and functionalities that make it easy to manage and maintain a service offering. Veeam One, reporting and monitoring with analytics. So today more than ever, recovery objectives and regulatory compliance are something that's affecting all customers. So how are you keeping track of all the systems that your data resides on and transports through? How do you ensure everything is running at peak performance? And how can you remediate data issues faster? How can you proactively protect against ransomware? How can you detect ransomware to satisfy each customer's goals and requirements? Customers often must turn to manual tracking methods or wait until an error occurs to troubleshoot. With Veeam One, you can deliver true proactive management of your backup environments with visibility, reporting, and analytics that help you detect issues before they actually become problems. You can streamline your support experience and manage your backups in accordance with customer compliance goals. Executing site recovery automation and testing with our Veeam Disaster Recovery Orchestrator. So with nonstop business operations now the norm, applications and data sets are larger and more complex, making recovery of a single application, let alone an entire site, exceedingly challenging. Because of this, the orchestration of recovery processes have become essential. Our Veeam Disaster Recovery Orchestrator is purpose-built to meet your complex environments business continuity, disaster recovery needs. It helps you as a partner achieve these goals while reducing the complexity of disaster recovery processes, which tend to be manual and time consuming. So instead, you can automatically test, self-document, execute DR plans in just a click, recovering everything from a single application to entire sites. Data protection for and mobility for Kubernetes. That's something that we have that not a lot of people are aware of. We actually have a backup plan for your Kubernetes and your container workloads. Veeam and Kasten extends our data protection portfolio to protect cloud-native platforms. So as more customers are embarking on their digital transformation journey, they can rely on Veeam with Kasten to extend the simple, reliable, and flexible data protection philosophy by protecting containerized workloads orchestrated by Kubernetes. The solutions support multi-cloud, multi-hypervisor, and multi-vendor and multi-data services with no lock-in. Kasten K10 by Veeam addresses three fundamental use cases: backup and recovery, application mobility, and disaster recovery. Kasten K10, constructed using cloud-native architectural principles, follows a desired state model, providing you declarative control. Kasten K10 provides comprehensive end-to-end security via enterprise-grade encryption, IAM roles, RBAC, OpenID, Connect, and more. Kasten K10 is quick to deploy and easy to use via state-of-the-art management interface or a cloud-native API. It has the versatility to accommodate complex applications easily. K10, with extensive support from the ecosystem components across the entire application stack, supports user choice to pick the best tools or best infrastructure for the job. Partnering with Veeam. So the VCSP competency program recognizes our highly qualified service provider partners who offer Veeam powered backup as a service and disaster recovery as a service solution. So both as a package channel offering for VARs and MSPs and direct to end customers. Competencies can help potential customers and partners find specialized services that align with their organization's needs or goals. So if you're interested in buying a service, the reseller-ready competencies of identified VCSP partners that provide turnkey solutions to Veeam value-added resellers and managed service providers. The reseller-ready competencies are currently available for all backup as a service for Microsoft 365, offsite backup, and MSP backup. This is ideal for partners who want to grow their service offerings without having to build an end-to-end solution from scratch, including infrastructure. So participating reseller-ready VCSP partners, they undergo an extensive testing and approval process, so you can be confident that you're partnering with industry leaders in each solutions area. Additionally, if you are a partner who's looking to build a cloud-based backup or disaster recovery solution, this competency program is a great strategy to building out your route to market. So definitely take advantage of that. VCSP Customer Ready Competency Program. So for partners that choose to build their own solutions, they may consider a customer ready competencies down the road. These are the services being offered directly to an end user. This is a great way to compete in the growing market for backup as a service and disaster as a service market. You can differentiate yourself while increasing your addressable market. Competency partners will be searchable on our partner directory for end users to find a backup as a service and disaster as a service provider. There's 3 different competencies available today, with more to come, obviously, but offsite backup, backup as a service for Microsoft 365, and disaster recovery as a service. And we're also accepting applications from gold and platinum partners. Veeam partners offer a host of Veeam powered services. So this is a great place for customers to find exactly who provides the services they are looking for. Set up for success. So if you haven't already checked out some of these product features, especially those that are included in V11, be sure to check it out. Make sure you use it to its full potential. In the next few slides, you'll find out what's in your welcome pack, what it looks like when you become a Veeam service provider partner, the journey that it takes you through the Veeam Cloud Service Provider program, from signing up as a partner to implementation of the product to licensing and billing. And not to forget all the resources that are being made available to you that helps you speed up your go-to-market strategy with Veeam. So let's do the honor and give you a quick tour. So 7 steps to partnership success. So to help you drive more value for your customer, Veeam wants to make it easy for you to do business with us. To help you visualize how easy it will be, here's 7 steps to partnership success. In many consumption-based partnership programs, there's a standard cycle you could expect. Sign a contract, unlock the product or products you'd like to use, start using, receive a bill for consumption. At Veeam, we follow this model. The first step is to join the Veeam Cloud and Service Provider program. You don't have to commit to any agreement when you join, but it's the first step to unlocking the rental agreement discounts, which is exclusively offered to our VCSP partners. Then you would want to evaluate the Veeam powered services you'd like to deliver. Depending on what you choose, your Veeam rep, like myself, can recommend a product suite that matches your goals. Additionally, you may choose to partner with another provider, like white labeling your services or contracting those services that you might not have out to complete your suite of services. So for example, if you're looking to build an MSP backup practice, but you'd also like to resell or brand a white labeled disaster recovery as a service offering, You can speak with your inside sales rep that you work with, and they could help recommend a partner in your area who is a platinum or gold Veeam certified partner to help you white label those services out with. For the services you plan to build out, Veeam offers extensive resources to get you started, like the Veeam Technical Documentation Center. Covers deployment, administration, user experience for Veeam products. Our solutions architecture team has made several reference architectures available for on-demand download. And if you need help, our systems engineering and technical support teams are on hand always. All you would need to do, and it's probably one of the most beneficial when you're starting, and even if you're a longtime partner of Veeam, is ask to speak with or ask to get on a 30, 45-minute call with your inside engineer to go over best practices, configurements, and this will definitely help you in your journey when you're setting up Veeam powered services. So then it's time to expand on Veeam usage. If you're looking for resources to help you cross-sell Veeam powered services into your existing install base, and if you're looking to capture new customers with Veeam, the Veeam Marketing Center offers co-brandable marketing tactics and on-demand sales enablement resources to get you started. So take advantage of the resources that are here to help you grow your business and be successful. The VCSP program benefits. So with Veeam Cloud and Service Provider partners like yourself, not only leverage innovative solutions, but gain a true partner dedicated to helping them build reliable, revenue-generating service offerings. And to that end, we've built out distinct partner tiers designed to meet the needs of our service providers at every step of their partnerships with us. So with benefits and requirements that recognize the exact investment and commitment. On the approved partner tiers depend on whether a service provider has signed a volume rental agreement with us and at what point level. These tiers also provide flexibility for partners not looking to commit to a point plan, as well as increased benefits for partners invested in building emerging technologies with us. More information can be found on this on our program guide published on the Pro Partner portal. This is a quick glance at what the partner benefits are. So tied to each of our tiers, it's important to note that regardless of what partner level you're on, all VCSP partners qualify for the same base level of benefits, including exclusive licensing access to free tools and technical support, free online trainings and briefings, and other pro partner network benefits. Additional benefits include free integrated marketing tools, media opportunities, directory listing, development funds, and more become available as additional partner requirements are met and unlocked. So the step that you start, you'll start as a registered partner. And once you meet the requirements to become a silver partner, then you'll move to that next step, and you can get with your account manager or your service provider, your inside sales partner, and they will let you know. Of course, in order to maintain the strength and reliability of our partner program, there's foundational criteria that are required of all our partners, such as initial application and signed agreements. So there are then technical certifications and marketing activities that become an integral part of branding our joint value proposition. And so are the requirements of achieving subsequently higher partnership tiers. So again, more detailed information can be found if you visit the program guide on the Pro Partner portal, or you can request to have a conversation with your appointed inside sales rep. Everything you need to know for success about the Pro Partner portal. So there's a reason partners love the Pro Partner portal. To me, it's like a condensed version of Veeam.com created specifically for our resell / VCSP cloud service providers like yourself. Find everything you need, including training, marketing tools, support, content, and more, all right where you'd expect it to be in a single intuitive hub. In the next couple of slides, I'm going to highlight some of the most valuable resources on our Pro Partner portal for the new VCSP partner to take advantage of. So first resource I would recommend is visiting the Welcome Hub. As its name suggests, it's a starting point for our VCSP partners. There's videos walking you through all the elements of the programs and links to pricing, licensing, how to find an aggregator, and more. I would also highly recommend visiting the hands-on labs that you have availability to, so you can just run a test of the labs. That is something I highly recommend. There is the certifications, which is free to you or anybody else. There is prerequisites, so you're going to want to begin with the VMSP down to the VMTSP, and then there is also a VMXP, which would be the Veeam Cloud Service Provider. They're not required, only to become a silver level partner after you've met some of the qualifications, but they are all free. To round out the learning, so what I had previously discussed, the VMXP learning path, it's built specifically for our cloud service providers. This is one of my favorite certifications. I do it myself. This curriculum offers a path to build your Veeam powered backup as a service, or or your disaster recovery as a service offering. Scale out your business and be the hero to your customers. With Veeam Cloud and service provider partners, not only leverage innovative solutions, but they gain a true partner dedicated to helping them build reliable revenue generating service offerings. To that end, we have built out distinct partner tiers to meet the needs of our service providers at every step of their partnership with us, with benefits and requirements that recognize the exact investment and commitment. Getting approved in which partner tiers you're on depend on whether you have signed a VRA with us and at what point level you've signed. So the tiers are flexible, and you could find out more information by visiting the Pro Partner portal. From setup to support, the VCSP Success Center on the Pro Partner portal, to selling and marketing your Veeam powered solutions, our Partner Success Center is an aggregated hub of knowledge and resources dedicated specifically to your technical, sales, and marketing experts, and contains many use cases specific quick start guides for setting up your Veeam powered solutions, sales ready content, and tools and resources for your marketing experts. Speaking to all the technical experts, we have the Tech Hub. So if you're looking for best practices from our technical experts, the VCSP Tech Hub provides scenario and use case-based best practice technical content. So aiming your teams with the knowledge necessary for setup, not necessary for support or administer your Veeam service offerings. Our SC team is, it's our, sales engineers. They're always refreshing and releasing content on a continuous basis. So be sure to bookmark this page and visit it often. Finally, the Veeam Marketing Center is your one-stop shop for developing your go-to-market strategy. We're here to support the channel 100%, and our Marketing Success Center is designed to help you access a wide array of marketing tools designed to help you accelerate demand and grow your Veeam business. With the Marketing Center, you can generate new leads, increase customer loyalty, achieve quicker sales cycle, customize, launch, and monitor lead generation marketing campaigns quickly and easily. Do you have your own marketing automation engine? Great. Well, we have a co-brandable resource ads and more you can leverage to start evangelizing the power of data protection. So Veeam Partner Perks. So Pro Partner Rewards is now becoming Partner Perks, and it's an incentive program for our partners. So partners can earn points by completing activities such as selling Veeam, prepaid maintenance or alliance solutions, completing certifications, and using Veeam's marketing services. Partners redeem their points, no limit, for the prizes of their choice. Store cards are reloadable Visa cards, so that's our most popular, and various merchandise, including the hottest electronics. So Veeam likes to reward you for what you're already doing. So we really value our partners, and we have a site, Partner Perks, to reward you for what you're already doing with us. So the Pro Partner Network newsletter. So it's yet another tool that allows partners to access all the new and updated Veeam correspondence. We also have a 3 months free promo, and Veeam is very good at rewarding and incentivizing our partners for doing what they would already be doing with their business. One of our promotions right now is Office 365 3 months free. So for a limited time, December 31st is the cutoff date. Net new VCSP partners that sign a VRA, which is a volume rental agreement of at least 200 points, and the existing partners who have not reported any consumption of Office 365 since August of 2021, they can apply for this 3 months free of Office 365 licensing if you sign a VRA. If you want to know more about this promotion, you can get with me. My name is Sarah Groves, or you can contact your VCSP rep and ask them more about this promotion. Definitely worth taking advantage of it. If you are starting your Veeam services on a VRA, you will get your 3 months free of your Office 365. So our call to action and next step: get started today. Register as a service provider in the portal. Start planning with one of your sales reps around what services you'd like to offer. Get on a technical call to discuss with an inside engineer best practices, configurement, strategy, what's going to work, what's not going to work. Evaluate your environment to see if, hey, maybe I need to white label the services out to continue using the Veeam valued services. Please feel free to reach out to me directly via email. I would be happy to answer any of your questions or connect with you or connect you to the correct resource for your territory. I appreciate you taking time to listen to this, and have a wonderful day.